Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and guess what? You already know, we're doing another giveaway with Monument Grills, and today what they're offering is a 24-inch charcoal grill. It's kind of cool looking little grill, and instead of me trying to describe everything that it has, check this out. So what do you think about that charcoal grill? That thing's pretty cool. Looks like it holds a lot of food, and this could be something that you want. This could be something you want to give to a friend or a family member for Christmas. Whatever you want to do with it, you just got to enter this giveaway for a chance to win. And of course, there are rules. There is no monetary value. It is for USA residents only. And you do need to, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel and to Monument Grills. I'll leave a link below to get over to their channel. You need to like this video, ring the bell, because this drawing is going to be picked on Saturday morning, the 10th. And you need to watch it, and then if you're the winner, you need to email me. And then I'll send you the email to email Monument Grills, the person to email over there with your shipping information. And I think if you do want to give it as a gift to somebody, you can let them know to ship it to their address. So anyway, I hope you like this kind of stuff. These giveaways are kind of fun for me. I'm glad that Monument Grills is being so generous and giving some of their stuff away like this. It's that time of year. Christmas is coming up. I've got a couple of reviews coming up with a couple of pretty nice little items. I hope you like them. Those will be coming up soon. One of them definitely. The other one, I hope I get the product soon enough to do a review before Christmas, so that you can get an idea if that's something you'd like, something you could ask somebody to get for you, whatever. So anyway, for this video, in the comments below, you don't need to use a hashtag this time. Just mention, however you want to say it, just mention Monument Grills in the comments below. And on Saturday morning, the comment picker will put Monument Grills as the phrase, and we'll let it pick the winner. Like I said, if you win, you'll have to notify me. But we'll go over that on Saturday. Thanks for checking this out. Monument Grills in the comments. Have a great day.